Welcome to our lecture series on Global Education Philosophies. Today we'll take a comparative look at diverse learning cultures around the world. This series is designed for both educators seeking to broaden their pedagogical approaches and students interested in understanding different educational paradigms. The video background represents the interconnected nature of global education systems we'll be exploring. Let's explore why comparing global education systems is so valuable. First, we examine cultural influence, how traditions, beliefs, and historical contexts fundamentally shape learning approaches. For instance, Eastern systems often emphasize collective achievement, while Western models may prioritize individual creativity. Next, we consider social impact, the crucial role of community structures and family dynamics in educational access. We see this in Scandinavian countries where strong social welfare systems support equal learning opportunities. Finally, economic drivers reveal how workforce demands shape curriculum priorities, like Germany's dual education system blending classroom learning with vocational training. These comparative insights help educators develop more culturally responsive teaching methods. Let's begin by defining educational philosophy. It's not just an abstract concept, but a practical framework that shapes real-world learning. As we see in this definition, it's a set of beliefs and principles that guide everything from daily classroom practice to national curriculum design. Notice three key aspects. First, it forms the foundation of all learning systems. Second, it reflects deeper cultural values. What a society considers important gets embedded in its education. Third, it fundamentally shapes how we measure success, whether through test scores, creativity, or vocational skills. The accompanying image visually represents how philosophy connects to practice.